Hey everybody, this is Travis with American Pest Management. I wanted to share with you a situation that we ran into with our pest evaluation on a brick home. So let's go check out to see if we can find some termites. So one of the dirty jobs that we have to do in the pest management industry is we really have to get down at the termite level. Sometimes we've got to get into a crawl space. So we're going to go in the crawl space and see what we can find as far as termite activity goes. So here we are in the crawl space. This is one of the key areas where we need to look for termite activity. First thing is there's cardboard all along the floor. Now, a lot of people use this for insulation or easy way to have something to crawl on, but all we're doing is bringing cellulose right inside your home, which could draw termites in. You can see here as we lift up some of these pieces of cardboard, the termites have gotten in on the inside and they have just totally consumed the corrugated pieces of the cardboard. The next thing you notice down here in this crawl space is there's spray foam that's been applied to all the foundation walls. What this does is eliminates an inspection gap, especially when you go up towards the floor joists where we would normally do our normal inspection. The spray foam is great for insulation purposes and great for energy efficiency, but for a termite inspector, it really is a nightmare. Termites can get right behind that spray foam and dig a tunnel right through there. It's very easy digging for them, and it can create an easy access into your floor joists of your home. This is another item we noticed down here in the crawl space. It's a little piece of sheet metal over the concrete foundation wall. It's a good physical barrier for termites. Termites, they can actually build a termite tunnel straight up this foundation pier, and if the floor joist is directly on top of that, that would create easy access for termites to enter into that floor joist. So another thing we noticed down here in the crawl space is termite tunnels. This is actually what we call staining. Termites can actually build a tunnel right up the side of the concrete, and then they started venturing over this way. Termites are blind, so when they start building, they lay a pheromone so all the termites can follow the trail easily. This, they've gone in about 4 inches and they've stopped probably because they didn't find any food. They don't like to waste their resources and energy either, so they probably just stopped and moved on over to where they found some of the cardboard or some other wood type of material to feed on. So another thing we look at down in the crawl space is other wood to soil contact, plus any places where there might be moisture. Right here is a joint where the sewer line comes in, and underneath they have wood supporting underneath the sewer line, but it has direct wood to soil contact. So if I pull this piece away, you can actually see termite activity where termites have got right in the center of that. When you have both boards on top, you aren't even able to see it, but when you move the top board away, you can see the damage. Termites probably did this in a matter of maybe 3 to 6 months. Termites can average consuming 1 board foot a year, which is about the 1 foot of a 2x4. So one way down in a crawl space to prevent that wood to soil contact is to remove the wood from the crawl space and replace it with something that termites won't find as palatable, like a concrete block. So now we're up and out of the crawl space. This is what those wood blocks, what we were looking at down underneath into the crawl space. You can see termites, they feed on the spring wood of wood, which is the softer part of the wood, and they create little galleries on the inside of there. And they carry the mud to hold their moisture and hold their temperature inside their tunnels. But you can see just how damaging the termites can be. They almost turn into paper thin. So then you can imagine if termites are feeding on your home on a number of years, what this could do to your floor joists and to your walls, and how much structural damage they can do.